Location analysis for a dental practice. Location analysis is one of the essential part in choosing where is the best place for the future dental clinic you are dreaming of. It involves specific requirements that may help you evaluate the population as well as the people in the area. There are 4 areas that make the location analysis, and these are demographic information, competitor analysis, accessibility, and growth potential. Comparing all these criteria, we have 2 places to look into. Location A is Tangub City in Misamis Occidental and location B is in Toledo City, Cebu. Demographic information shows all the information regarding the area chosen. First, the population in Tangub became higher every year with 68,389 people having 420 inhabitants per square meter. For Toledo, we have 207,314 people with 959 inhabitants per square meters. The people living in this area are much more of the workers than the senior citizens and youth. These applies to both cities presented. Annual regular revenue or all ongoing revenue for a product, business, or place, projected every 1 year. As you can see on the date presented, over the 8 years, Tangub reached beyond 400 million revenue from 250,000 in 2009. Toledo City has an annual revenue of 1 billion in a span of 8 years from 400 million. Next, analysis of competitors is a great way to know your competitors when you decide that you really want to put up a clinic in that specific area. Knowing this, it will help you identify the industry or the dental specialization. In Tangub there are 3 known dental clinics, but they are offering only limited service. With this knowledge, a lot of patients are traveling for a couple of hours in another place just to have their needed services. On the other hand, Toledo has 4 dental clinics and offering general and orthodontic dentistry, in which, we assume, a lot of young adults would go and visit them for dental examinations and know the dentist's recommendations. Accessibility may be one of the important aspects when we are choosing a dental clinic location because it is a disadvantage when the place is not easily be visited nor seen. It is also important that the location has ample space for cars to be parked, or it can also be seen when on the road. Since both cities are progressing, they have sufficient space for a medium-sized clinic as well as having an easy access and easy way out of the clinic. Having said that, Tangub's location is very accessible to commuters because it is near the main road, and of course, transportation is accessible as well. Bus terminal and motorbikes are available and also cheap. The location of Toledo is a great asset because there are many locals as well as tourists that hover or stay there for quite a time. And this is an advantage because the location of the future clinic is only beside the major road, so it is very convenient for the patient to visit. Available transportation would be tricycles or cycled and jeepneys. Growth potential of a dental clinic is one you should look into, especially if you want your clinic to be known in the city. If the city has the potential to develop larger profit, then the possibility of the clinic to rise is much larger as well. This also allows you to have more workforce and people to help you with your success. Both Tangub and Toledo have the potential for growth in the next succeeding years to come. The final verdict for our location analysis is Toledo City. We have given all the data needed for the best location of the future dental clinic, and the mentioned city is much more favorable and successful in terms of population, competitors, accessibility and growth potential.